Hello guys, thank you for opening my video. And in this video guys, I want to sharing how to replacing this suitcase zipper, because this one is already cannot working anymore, so I have to change to the new one guys. And before that, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and just keep watching guys. Okay guys, firstly we should take this old zipper off guys. We starting opening from here guys. This cover, we can cut the old stitching guys. Here we will find the connection of the zippers guys. You see here there is old stitching guys. Just cutting like this the rope, and then we can take off the cover. It's very easy guys, no worry. Just pull out like this guys, pull out like this. It's easy. Easy. Here guys. Easy guys. Okay guys, I have already take the cover off, and then guys, to make processing easier, we should divide this suitcase into two pies guys. Just divide this suitcase like this guys, in order to make processing easier guys. Just divide this suitcase. Okay guys, after that we should take the old zipper off guys. So just use cutter like this guys to cut the old stitching guys. And then we clean it with a plier guys. We pull the rope. Okay guys, after we cleaning the old stitching, and then we can take the new zipper guys. Here I gonna use the same color zipper. Even the old zipper is not same color, I gonna use the same color here guys, in order to get the beautiful looking. And then we can measuring first by starting from here guys, from here, from below side. Here is top side, here is top side, here is below side. So we can measuring the new zipper from here guys. Just do it like this. And then guys, just cut the zipper guys. And then guys, to make the sharing processing this zipper easier, guys, we should gluing it first, guys. I'm gonna gluing the zipper and then the suitcase, guys. So we gluing it first. This glue help us to make the sharing process easier, guys. We cannot stitching directly without gluing this zipper, guys. This glue help us to make the sewing process easier, guys. We glue it first. Okay, guys, I have put glue to this zipper and to the suitcase, and then before installing the zipper, guys, we should divide it first, guys, into two pies, guys. Just divide the zipper and then we can installing, guys. Now we can installing this zipper, guys. From below side, guys. And do the same way to the other side, guys, and then we continue to sewing, guys. Okay, guys, after we installing the zipper, guys, and then we can continue to sewing process, guys. Here I gonna sewing manually, guys, so I gonna use my needle shoe, and we can see here the zipper is brown color, guys, and then the inside one of the suitcase is gray color, guys. So I gonna use two different color, yellow brown color and gray color, guys. Here gray color, and then here gray color, and then the zipper brown color. So just do it, guys. We can starting the sewing from here, guys. From here, just stab the needle, guys, here, and then take the brown color rope, and then pull out, and then measuring the rope, guys, like this, guys. Make sure it's enough to complete the sewing, guys. Yeah, like this, guys, and then we can cut this brown color rope, guys. Cut. After we cut this brown color rope, guys, we can connect to the gray color rope, guys. We can splicing the rope like this, guys. and then we can continue to sharing, guys. The way to sharing this suitcase, guys, it's same with how the way to sharing the shoes. Finishing our sharing, guys, we have to lock it up. We lock it up like this, guys. Okay, guys, the zipper sharing process is done, and now it's time to installing it back. We assembling it back like this, and then I gonna installing the head zippers here, guys. Okay, guys, after we installing the head zippers, and this one is the last step, we will put the cover it back, and then we gonna sharing. Okay, guys, we put the glue here, little glue. Just a little bit, guys, not too much glue. Just put it back here. Then sewing it back, guys. It's done, guys, and just as simple as that, and you can do it by yourself at home. Don't forget to support my channel, guys, and see you again. Thank you very much.